how to use Zelle with Chime. The quickest way to get stuck with this topic is assuming there's a hidden switch inside Chime that turns on Zelle. There isn't. And if you try to force it, you can lose time chasing settings that don't exist, or worse, you'll build a setup that breaks the first time you need it urgently. There's one key detail that decides whether this feels simple or impossible. I'll save it for the end because it's the real shortcut. What this actually means. Zelle is a bank-to-bank payment network that usually works through partner banks and credit unions inside their own apps. Chime is a fintech account that doesn't offer Zelle directly, so you can't connect Chime to Zelle the way you can with banks that have built in. That sounds like a dead end, but it just changes the approach. Instead of using Zelle in Chime, use Zelle through a compatible bank, then move money between that bank and Chime.
This is general info, not financial or legal advice.
How the setup works in real life. Think of it as a two-lane system. Lane 1 is your Zelle-enabled bank. That's the account that can send and receive Zelle payments. Lane 2 is your Chime account, which you use for your everyday spending, budgeting, or paycheck flow. Money moves between lanes using normal transfers, like bank transfers with routing and account numbers, or debit card-based transfers when available. The goal is not to merge them, the goal is to make them cooperate without friction.
Using Zelle without creating headaches.
First, you need a bank or credit union that supports Zelle inside its app. Once you're enrolled there, Zelle payments will route through that institution. Then you connect your Chime account to that bank for transfers. In practice, people do this by linking Chime using routing and account numbers for transfers, or by linking a debit card if the other service allows it. After that, your pattern becomes simple. If you receive money by Zelle, it lands in the Zelle-enabled bank. When you want it in Chime, you transfer it over. If you want to send by Zelle, you keep enough funds in the Zelle-enabled bank, then send. The biggest quality of life move is consistency. Pick one Zelle bank and stick with it, so you're not constantly haggling where your money is sitting. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. The most common mistake is trying to treat Chime like it's the Zelle bank. That leads to endless troubleshooting and delayed payments. Another mistake is sending Zelle payments before you confirm you're using the right contact info for the recipient. Zelle is designed for people you know and trust, and typos can be painful. A third mistake is timing. People assume transfers between accounts are always instant. Sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't. If you're going to need Zelle for something time sensitive, keep a buffer in your Zelle-enabled bank so you're not waiting on a transfer at the worst moment. The key detail that decides if this feels easy. Here's the detail I promised. You're not trying to use Zelle with Chime. You're choosing where your Zelle home base will live. If you pick a Zelle-enabled bank as the home base and treat Chime as your spending hub, the whole system becomes predictable. If you try to make Chime the home base for Zelle, you'll keep hitting the same wall because Zelle access depends on the partner bank's app. And if you don't want the two-lane setup at all, the simplest alternative is using Chime's built-in send money features or a different payment app that supports linking to Chime directly, depending on what you and the recipient both use.
Closing the loop.
So yes, you can use Zelle and Chime together, but not by connecting Zelle to Chime. You use Zelle through a partner bank, then move money between that bank and Chime. Once you decide your Zelle home base, everything becomes simpler. Fewer surprises, less waiting, and a setup you can trust when you're in a hurry. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier.
If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.